Route 17 car accidents. A serious crash on Route 17 can change your life in seconds and leave you facing pain, bills, and uncertainty. Route 17, officially known as the George Washington Memorial Highway, carries heavy daily traffic through Gloucester County. The road is a 4-lane divided highway where high speeds, dangerous intersections, and unfamiliar drivers increase the risk of collisions. Summer beach traffic creates congestion and impatience that often leads to serious crashes. Many sections of Route 17 lack dedicated left-turn lanes, forcing drivers to cross multiple lanes of oncoming traffic. Weather conditions near the York River and Chesapeake Bay can cause fog and sudden rain that reduce visibility. According to the Virginia Department of Transportation, nearly 70% of crashes at the Route 17 and Woods Cross Road intersection between 2014 and 2024 resulted in serious injuries or fatalities. High-speed accidents on Route 17 frequently cause traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord damage, and broken bones. A crash at highway speed generates force that can overwhelm vehicle safety systems. Traumatic brain injuries can occur when the head strikes a hard surface or from violent movement inside the skull. Even mild brain injuries may cause lasting memory loss, cognitive problems, or personality changes. Spinal cord injuries can result in permanent paralysis and often require lifelong medical care. Chest injuries from seatbelts or steering wheels can damage ribs, lungs, or internal organs. Many victims require emergency transport to Riverside Walter Reed Hospital or trauma centers in Newport News, Norfolk, or Richmond. Medical bills often begin with thousands of dollars in emergency care and continue for months or years. Virginia law uses a pure contributory negligence rule to determine fault in car accidents. If you are found even 1% responsible for a crash, you may be barred from recovering compensation. To succeed in a claim, you must prove another driver violated a duty of care, such as speeding, failing to yield, or driving while distracted. Traffic violations like running a stop sign or following too closely can provide strong evidence of negligence under Virginia law. Left-turn accidents are common on Route 17 and are often presumed to be the fault of the turning driver. That presumption can be challenged if the other driver was speeding, ran a red light, or violated traffic laws. Evidence such as skid marks, vehicle damage, witness statements, and cell phone records plays a key role in proving fault. Police reports help guide investigations but are generally not admissible as evidence in Virginia civil trials. Virginia law allows accident victims to recover economic and non-economic damages from at-fault drivers. Economic damages include medical bills, lost wages, future medical costs, and property damage. Non-economic damages compensate for pain, suffering, and loss of enjoyment of life. Severe injuries may also support claims for lost earning capacity and permanent disability. Virginia generally does not cap compensatory damages in car accident cases. Insurance companies often undervalue claims by relying on formulas that ignore real-life impacts. Accident victims generally have 2 years from the crash date to file a personal injury lawsuit under Virginia law. Claims against government entities may require notice within 6 months or 1 year. Evidence can disappear quickly as skid marks fade, vehicles are repaired, and witnesses forget details. Insurance adjusters often contact victims quickly to seek recorded statements that can be used against them. Social media posts are frequently monitored and may be mischaracterized to minimize claims. Working with a lawyer early helps protect evidence and guard against insurance tactics. An experienced attorney understands how Virginia's strict fault rules affect Route 17 accident claims. Legal representation is especially important when insurers attempt to shift blame to accident victims. GibsonSingleton Virginia injury attorneys bring local knowledge and Marine Corps discipline to every case. Ken Gibson and John Singleton have decades of combined legal experience and deep ties to Gloucester County. This law firm understands the dangers of Route 17 because they have driven it themselves for years. Their approach focuses on preparation, accountability, and standing up to insurance companies. If you were injured on Route 17, you deserve clear answers and strong advocacy from a trusted lawyer. GibsonSingleton, Virginia injury attorneys are ready to help you pursue the compensation you deserve. Call GibsonSingleton, Virginia injury attorneys at 804-413-6777 to discuss your Route 17 accident. The office is located at 4073 George Washington Memorial Highway, Hayes, Virginia, 23072, United States.